Well, it was a disappointing day in Lansing for advocates of guardianship reform. A Senate committee did not vote on several bills that will reform Michigan's guardianship laws.
7 investigator Heather Catallo has been exposing serious problems in the current guardianship system since 2017. And she joins us now with a look at what happened today. Heather?
Well, Mike and Carolyn, as you know, these bills have been on the table in one form or another since 2021. Today, the chair of the Senate Judiciary Committee ended her hearing without taking a vote on the bills. And with the legislature about to take several weeks off for summer break, the ultimate fate of these bills is unclear at the moment. The 7 investigators have shown you over and over again how loopholes in Michigan's guardianship laws have hurt local families.
This is not a system designed to help. This is prison.
Kept them hostage, took them from their families, locked them behind a 6.5-foot privacy fence, and just drained their estate.
The Attorney General's Elder Abuse Task Force has worked for 5 years to create legislation to increase protections for vulnerable adults. If you're declared legally incapacitated, you lose the right to make your own medical and financial decisions, and that's not all.
Where you live, who you visit, whether you live or die under a do not resuscitate order, every consequential decision that we make as adults is eliminated. This is civil death. You are completely robbed of your liberty.
In front of the Michigan Senate Committee on Civil Rights, Judiciary, and Public Safety, elder law advocates testified that with the proposed changes to the law, people like Bessie Owens and Roderick Gordon would not have been subjected to guardianships.
Do you consider yourself incapacitated?
No, absolutely not.
I do not need no one to oversee my finances or a guardian.
The system is not working for the people at its center. I'm asking you to find the courage today in this room with this vote that has been missing for the last 30 years of guardianship reform and to pass HB 4909 and 4912 out of committee today. We cannot wait.
We want guardians who aren't appointed 800 wards at a time. And we want guardians appointed only to the people who truly need them.
The bills would provide several protections, including making sure probate judges put their reasons on the court record if they choose a professional guardian over a family member. And they would require more detailed reports from those appointed to evaluate whether someone needs a guardian. Still opposing the bills, the Michigan Guardianship Association, or MGA, a nonprofit advocacy group for professional guardians.
The vulnerable adults of Michigan need for you to understand how the unintended consequences of the legislation as written will negatively affect the quality of the services that they receive.
That's the same group that was kicked off the Elder Abuse Task Force in 2023 after the 7 investigators revealed their lobbyist was mocking the AG's efforts to add more oversight in the law.
No, that's supposed to say farce, not farce. So it's the AG's task force, as I call it.
This is just one more example of how the system is failing.
Once again, the Senate did not vote this out of committee today, and that has some advocates really concerned it's going to stall again. I asked Committee Chair Senator Stephanie Chang if this will get done before summer recess. So far, I have not received a reply back about any kind of timeline for a vote, but she did say in a statement earlier to me that she supports the legislation and she's committed to seeing it through. It just remains to be seen what that actually means.
Bottom line, I know you're going to stay on it as you have been
We
till
will.
the very end.
Absolutely.
Thanks so much, Heather.